Hi, this is Alan. I'm going to talk to you today about the tech revolution, how technology is supercharging property asset management. The property management industry has always been competitive, but in today's fast-paced world, staying ahead requires more than just fixing leaky faucets and collecting rent. Property asset enhancement, the art of maximizing the value and profitability of your property, is key. But the good news is technology is no longer just a futuristic dream. It's a powerful tool that can revolutionize your approach. From paint jobs to PropTech, traditionally property asset enhancement relied on methods like renovations and tenant retention programs. While these strategies still have merit, they can be time-consuming and lack the data-driven insights needed for optimal results. Enter the PropTech, property technology. This rapidly growing sector is transforming the industry by offering efficient and intelligent solutions. PropTech's powerhouse tools. Let's delve into some key tech tools that can take your property asset enhancement to the next level. Smart building technologies. Imagine thermostats that learn your tenants' habits, lighting systems that adjust automatically, and leak detectors that prevent costly water damage. Smart building technology not only reduces energy usage and maintenance costs, but also contributes to a greener footprint. Data analytics and AI. Data is the new gold, and PropTech solutions help you unlock its true value. By analyzing data on tenant behavior, occupancy rates, and maintenance trends, you can identify areas for improvement and make informed decisions. Artificial intelligence takes it a step further, enabling predictive maintenance and optimizing rental pricing strategies to maximize your income. Virtual tours and marketing automation. In today's digital world, attracting tenants requires a strong online presence. Virtual tours offers a convenient and immersive way for potential tenants to view your properties, no matter their location. Marketing automation tools streamline communication with tenants and generate qualified leads, saving you valuable time and resources. The tech advantage. Implementing these tech solutions offers a multitude of benefits. Increased profitability, reduced costs, optimized rental income, and minimized vacancy periods all contribute to a healthier bottom line. Happier tenants. Smart amenities, efficient management, and responsive communication make for a more satisfying tenant experience, leading to higher retention rates. Data-driven decisions, no more guesswork. Technology provides insightful data to guide your strategies and ensure you're making the best decisions for your property. Competitive edge. Embrace PropTech and gain a significant advantage in the competitive property management landscape. The future is tech-powered. Technology is no longer a luxury in property asset management, it's a necessity. By exploring PropTech solutions and embracing technological advancements, you can unlock a world of possibilities. The future of property management is tech-powered, and it's an exciting time to be part of it. Call to action. Ready to explore PropTech for your properties? We have compiled a list of valuable resources to get you started. You can also contact our company for a free consultation on how to leverage technology for optimal property asset enhancement. If you'd like to discuss PropTech for your properties, do not hesitate to call me, that's Alan, on 07539 141 257 or 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, that is +44 7539 141 257 or +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me on calendly.com/AlanJE or drop an email to either alan@alpusgroup.com or info@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.